I am Dr. Triveni, consultant obstetrician gynecologist working in Rainbow Hospital. I have come to this course with one of my colleague reference, and we being obstetrician, it is very important for us to know about the pelvic scans, which plays a major role in our day-to-day practice. So as I came here, there was a brief introduction on the day one by Supriya ma'am, which was a very good informative session where it was told about how to handle the machine and what are the basics of ultrasound. So which was a good thing to begin with. And going ahead in this 11-day course, in this training process, they have a set of modules with the simulator. See, practicing on a simulator was a very good point, and we were given a lot of time to practice on the simulator with our own practice time, which gave us a lot of thought processes on the scan with each case which was described in the module, and which helped us to think over how to go ahead with the scans when we do in our day-to-day practice. So instead of directly going on the patients to a beginner, it's a very good idea what this course is running through with the simulator of 11 days. So which gives us a good idea with all case scenarios, including the pelvic scans like gynec scans, as well as the pregnancy related like twin pregnancies and early pregnancies. So it is overall a very good course. And a lot of time there was a good interactive sessions also, so which helped us to gain a lot of knowledge in this. So it was overall a helpful course. And I also want to put a word on the team members who coordinated in a very nice way. And it was nice about Navya, who's a manager, who coordinated very well whenever I asked for any help or any problems I faced with the connectivity. And also the other team members, Lakshmi and Surya, who are the academic coordinators, they also helped us in the training process, which made the course little more easier to go ahead and to practice. Yeah, I would recommend to all my fellow obstetrician and gynecologists to go through this course, as it is for 11 days. And in that short period of time, you'll be getting a lot of hands-on on the simulator, which will help you in your day-to-day practice. Thank you.